Morning there, Gus. Morning, Gina. Morning, Dee Dee. No, I can't keep you inside. Nothing can hold in the amazing jumping Dee Dee. All right. Morning, Mooncake. How you feeling? Life is good, isn't it? Chickens! Oh, man. Oh, man. Morning, D-Dub. What's up, buddy? Yo, man. Hey. Who you been biting, Karen? Jolie! Jolie, come on! Hurry, hurry! Jimmy, what up, man? Hello, ducks. You stop making all my white ducks muddy? Keep your feet off them. Dirty, dirty ducks. Oh, Scarlet notices now, huh, Jimmy? Hey, come on, man. I'll let you out. I'm being cool. Oh, Slate, what happened to your tail, man? You sleep in the mud or something? I saw it earlier, Jimmy. I thought he cleaned that thing up by now. Look at that thing. Jeez, Slate. Cut it out, Jim. Hey, you want to step up? You better step back. You don't step up like that, Jimmy. You better back up, young man. You think I'm playing around? Jimmy, I'm going to go get your mom. I'm telling your mom. I'm talking to her about this right now. Come out here. Go outside, chicken. Hey! Come on, guys. Nah, you get over there and can't figure out how to get back. It just doesn't make any sense, Scarlet. Good job. Good job, chicken. All right, let's, yep. Good morning, dear. How are you? Okay. What else? How long you been stuck over here? Right. She running from somebody? Slate? Somebody's tail's all muddy? Huh? You get kicked out of the coop last night? Slate, huh? You have to sleep in the mud? Come on, let's go. Come on. Yeah, come on, I'm gonna shoo you. Shoo. No, don't. Go ahead, Lilac. Come on. You were over, Joy. Come on. You were overjoyed. That's funny. Come on. Yep, come on. You keep walking just a little bit. I know you're back talking and saying it's just mean. Look it. No. Duck under. There you go. Huh? Nice, huh? All right, Duck, your turn. Duckwing, what's going on, man? All right, Duck, come on. No. Yay! Still trying to keep them out the best I can. See, grass is growing up here. Got some grass started in the spot here. Grass starting there. Grass over there. Grass on the hill. I think it's another couple weeks, maybe a week. I don't know. Just want it taller over here, but they keep getting over here, eating my stinking grass. Put some in there. Hello. Sir. Looking mighty tall today, Steve. I didn't know you could get taller. It's crazy, isn't it? What? Give me those crazy eyes, man. What are you doing? Look angry. Why you seem angry, man? Why you seem... Rapunzel. He was giving me the eye. You see that? Because of you, man. Go ahead, dog. Hey, Betty. Hi, honey. Hi, Scarlet. Hi, hon. Hi, chickens. Hi, chickens. Hold on, Darkwing. I'm going to spread some out, buddy. Hey, you guys aren't supposed to eat that lettuce head. I was going to put that in the hanger thing. That's all right, I guess. Hey, Brock, Tony B, how you guys doing? You want some lettuce before I spread this out there, Tony? Good job. Oh. Hey, Jackie. That's Jackie Brown right there. Oh. Where's Juarez? Oh, there he is, over by that tree there. It's a chestnut tree. That's what I was trying to. Couldn't think of what kind of tree it was. Here you go, bud. Miss Jolie's way over there, so we're gonna try to sneak over there. I'm gonna distract everybody here. Oh, hey! Hey, hon. How we doing, Sharon? Yeah, you can have some, of course. You gonna be nice about it, buddy? As long as you're nice about it, you can come over as much as you want. How have you been, sweetheart, huh? Here, hold on. I agree, man. Cock-a-doodle-doo. Here you go, chickens. Hey, Jim. Come here, Jimmy. Come here, man. Here. What do you think? Let me bend down for you. Can't believe you stepped up like that earlier, Jim. That was pretty crazy, man. You can't be doing that stuff. Especially the scoop guy. You know what I'm saying? What a yummy tree, huh, Jim? Nice and crunchy. I like the crunch of lettuce, don't you? Yeah. Now watch that snood, man. Get it, there you go. Gotta lean your head. Remember those old taco commercials, Jim? That's how you're supposed to eat a taco. Nice job, bud. Hey, Juarez. Come here, man. Come here, bud. Hey, man, here. How you been, buddy? You're looking better. Hold on, here. Here you go. Here. Do you want to give it the dot? Here. Oh, good job, honey. Oh, hi. Here you go, babes. Such a gentleman. Good job, buddy. Here. Do you want to give this to somebody? Oh, she just took it, bud. Do you want to give this to somebody? Good job. Here you go. Oh, good job, bud. Here. Good job, man. Here you go. Here, bud. I'm being nice. Why you gotta give me the... Why you give me the look, man? Here. Oh, look at the back, bud. You gotta defend yourself better, buddy. I'm looking at Brock and there's nothing on him, man. He's got no marks or nothing. You gotta... Come on. Do better. Hey, honey. Here you go. Betty. Betty always up to no good. Brock. You ever talk, man? Hey, pal. How you been? Here. Here, give that to someone. See, and this is, that's what I don't get, Brock. That's why I don't know why all the ladies like you so dang much. Right? You just... I hand these to Juarez, he just distributes amongst the hens, but you just, oh, look, another one. Like, hey, ladies, don't eat my berries. See, you're such a jerk, man. Like, not one, These chicks can't have one, Brock? Not one stinking... You can't share one berry, man? I'm holding that one tight. Here, eat that. Hey, Tony, here. Here, I'm gonna go get some to Peanut. Hey, Peanut, how you doing, buddy? You're welcome, man. Can you eat with Peanut? Brock, you are not a very nice dude. I'll tell you what, man. Here. I thought you'd be more gentlemanly, Brock. Now we're gonna throw down some berries for you guys. Here. Good morning. Oh, hold on. You don't have to be so aggressive, you know. I got it. I held on to that one tight. They're better when you have bites of them. Oh, what the heck is that? How dare you offer me a red berry? I demand blueberries. Picky turkey. Hey! What the heck, Jim? Come on, man. Can I get past you? I wanted to go that way. Go see if Darkwing wanted some berries or something. Pardon me, Jim. Come on, man. And we got that. Hey, Darkwing? You want a strawberry, bud? Nobody? No? All right, well. Julie? You want a strawberry, babe? Yummy, yummy, yummy. Here, babe. Hey, Slate, come here. Slate, I kept a whole one for you. So that way you could peck at it. Slate! Oh. You still trying to make up, buddy? You gotta take bites of it. You don't. Okay, here. I have blue ones. See, hold on. Here. I have blue. Just calm down with them. Calm down. You and Betty can go ahead. Hold on here. Hold on. Excuse me. I mean, I offer Randall some, but Randall still thinks I've poisoned these things or something. Here. Come on, man. You don't like them? I don't understand what's wrong, Randall. Somebody has talked to you about me, and they've been spreading lies. Spreading lies, I tell you, Randall. Slate, here. It's a whole berry, Slate. Which nobody seems to like this big strawberry. Why? How can you not like a strawberry? I mean, come on. Ow, that's my nail. It does have some greens on the top, right? It does have, like grass. No? All right. Slate, would you like a blueberry, bud? Would you like a blueberry, Slate? Thank you. Thanks for, yeah. Jimmy, be nice to Slate. Be nice to your dad, man. Jimmy, be nice to your old man. Here. Here, bud. Have a strawberry, Jim. You swallowed your snoot. Jimmy, you've swallowed it. You're choking on your... Jesus! Jimmy, spit it out! Oh, my God, Jim. I can't believe it. You know, I thought I had to do like the Heimlich on a turkey to get their snoot out of... I thought you were going to choke on it.